Hey guys, it's Maureen and welcome back to the channel. Earlier this month, Apple released Tangerine, Peony, Periwinkle, and Aquamarine. Three of these actually I bought. I skipped the Aquamarine because kind of like walking away from green. We are going to be reviewing these three, but we're gonna start with a Peony. The Apple Silicone case for iPhone 16 Pro Max in Peony. It's a little bit cloudy outside. I'm gonna turn off my tablet here too. There you go. That's the real color, guys. So it's really beautiful. So when I unboxed it, I was really happy because I have been waiting for this kind of pink. We had a pink last year actually, but it was not as pink as I was expecting. Apple have not made this kind of pink probably on the years that I have been reviewing this kind of cases. This is the first time that I have fallen in love with a case. This is so vibrant in person. It's like a pastel color. It's a Sony camera, so it's probably different like color that it's giving to you compared to what is showing online. If you love pink, just order it right away. I'm gonna show you here the pink from last year, which has a kind of like a mixture of red or orange. This is the pink this year, which is way brighter. It probably has a like lavender in it too. It's really beautiful. We have the Desert Titanium, as you guys know, and it matches really good with our gold iPhone and our gold camera protectors right there. But this is probably also really clean looking with a white iPhone. Natural titanium probably is just okay with the black, and it's gonna be more darker probably, or brighter I should say. Yeah, this is really, really beautiful. I really love it. Yeah, I am wearing actually a kind of light pink or whatever pastel pink color right here, so it will match with our outfit, but it's not quite close. Another pink color here. I like pastel colors. It makes me so happy. Recap: in 2023, Apple released Canary Yellow, the Olive, Sky, and Iris. And then in 2024, in replacement with a canary yellow, they replace it with Sunshine. And Olive is, I think, pink. With Sky, they replace it with light blue, and with Iris, they replace it with soft mint. So they went kind of like not lavender anymore, but went to the mint green or pastel green, something like that. In 2025, they don't have the yellow anymore, but they replace it with an orange the tangerine. With the pink from last year, they replace it with the peony, different shade of pink. With a light blue, it's probably the periwinkle. The soft mint last year was aquamarine. So I'm just giving you the recap on that one and how they kind of replaced one color to the other. Again, this is the Apple Silicone case for iPhone 16 Pro Max in Peony, which is, I guess, my favorite color out of all the Apple Silicone cases that has been released in the past 5 years. Just saying. Like I said, it is more vibrant pink compared to the pink Apple case that was released last year. Oh my gosh, it's really beautiful. Like last year, they didn't really release anything for the summer, so this is probably for the spring and summer collection. So that's why it's already vibrant and it's ready for summer. Peony represents love, beauty, and romance. They're ideal for anniversaries or to show appreciation. Peonies often cost more than other flowers because it takes one bush 3 years to produce enough flowers to harvest. And the bushes are also large, which means they take up a lot of valuable real estate on a farm. And yes, the beauty of each flower drives up demand and leads to a higher price than most other flowers. I've never bought a peony flower before, but I probably have seen it in person. Peonies bloom during the transition from spring to summer. So the peak of peony season is in early summer, which blooms typically lasting through May and into June. And individual peony plants typically only have blooms for about a week or two. In warmer climates, peonies may bloom earlier, potentially as early as March. Or March right now. In cooler regions, peony blooms may be available in early summer. It makes sense now that they pick the peony color. This case is available for iPhone 16 series except the iPhone 16e. And I apologize for all the people that wanted this color. Sumimasen. If you own an older iPhone, because this is not available for those iPhones. Apple would definitely get more money if they will sell this for the older iPhones. That is it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for joining me in checking out the iPhone 16 Pro Max silicone case in Peony. I hope you have a wonderful day and night, and I will see you on my next one.